Over the course of the semester, our project was to innovate the current anti-gravity plant growth chamber called the Veggie. The current design lacks reusability, sustainability, and simplicity in the manual process that astronauts go through. We created a zero-gravity auto-hydrating plant system made of polycarbonate sheeting and 3D printed boxes that use minimal power, make multiple crop rotations possible, and have a controlled water and fertilizer process, and use the volume of the Veggie chamber effectively. The first section is the hydro chamber layer. This is a 3D printed box that will hold water. To replenish the water, there is a bottle cap to twist on or off. The second layer is the tech layer. This is another 3D printed box where the electronics will be held. This is where the Arduino, breadbox, valve, and lights will be kept and controlled. The third layer is the nutrient layer. This is where the rock wall will be and where the roots of the plants will grow. This is also 3D printed and has a section in the bottom to slide in the moisture detector to monitor the moisture levels of the plants. The water will go into this layer via a wicking system that starts in the hydro chamber, goes through the valve in the tech layer, and then into the nutrient layer. The final layer is the growth layer. This is made from cut out pieces of polycarbonate sheeting that are then attached using an adhesive. This is where the plant will grow and will be attached to the other layers with hatches. How it works is the Arduino is programmed to the moisture sensor to know when the plant has enough or needs more water. The lights will change based on the conditions that the plant is in. Red means on, which lets water flow through. Green means the condition is optimal. Blue is off, which stops the water flow. And yellow means the power is going through. When the plant needs water, the thing will pull down in the valve to open up the water chamber and let the wicks flow water through the rock wall to the plant. And if there's too much water, the thing will pop up to block the flow of water. We began our project by having a brainstorming session where we addressed the biggest problems and came up with as many solutions as possible. When everyone discussed and elaborated on their ideas, we ended up with 3 design options, which we narrowed down to 1 using a design matrix. We then made a detailed timeline to ensure we got the project done on time. Throughout the process, whenever we needed help, we went to the makerspace and TeamLab experts to answer any questions we had on materials, machines, and coding. We would then fabricate away. After the fun of fabricating, we ran multiple tests to ensure that different parts of our design worked. We ran multiple tests with the Arduino and the valve to make sure the coding was accurate and that the moisture sensor worked. We tested the wicking system to see if it could transfer water and made sure that each layer could hold the water and was durable for launch. We concluded that our design met the standards set by our client.